Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna talk about no boot devices. So when you turn in your computer or laptop on, if you can see kind of this, for example, no boot device found or something like that, no boot device, that means your hard drives got the issue on it. So either one of the Windows file is missing or it can't detect your hard drive. So my customer asking me how we can get the data out of kind of this scenario. Let me show you a few more pictures here. So new bootable device, insert boot disk and press any key, or this one. You see, so in all these pictures, laptop or computer cannot find the boot manager to boot the device. So either the hard drive is faulty or one of the Windows file is missing. You ask me how we can get the data out when we having this scenario on our laptop. So it's quite easy and simple. What you need to do, if you remember a few days ago, we worked on a 1 HP laptop and the customer asked me to retrieve his data from the hard drive. So I use the Hirens Bootcd, which is here. Okay, so let me just show you. So this is the Hirens Bootcd, and this is the website hirensbootcd.org. So in this bootable applications, you got the BCD MBR tools, you got the other tools for the file viewer, and actually it's got the quite good applications for those ones who can work with kind of admin applications or recovery applications basically. And to get your data out, you need to download this Hirens Bootcd and make a bootable CD. So to do that, what we need to do, first things we need to do, we need to download these applications, right? So I just scroll down and let me show you the this is a screenshot of the applications. So it's like a virtual Windows 10 and it got everything on it, so it's quite useful and I will show you how to use it. With these applications also you can remove a login password, which is quite handy. So if you forget the login details, you can get your login details. Also, if you forgot your Windows key to activate your Windows, you can just get it from these applications. So to download it, you go to the download and you just scroll down and then you press on the file name here, HPCDPE. So you just click on it and it should start to download it like that. So I already downloaded, so I just click cancel. So that was the first step. The second step is to download the USB booting application. So on the same website, Hirens Bootcd, you go to the USB booting and here it shows you how to use these applications to copy ISO file to the USB and make a bootable USB for yourself. So here you can download the ISO file. If you just click on the download the ISO to USB, is here, right? So I've already downloaded these two. So if I okay, another thing is you need the bootable USB stick. So I think 4 GB is enough for this job, but if you can get the 8 GB is much better, but it will work with the 4 GB as well. So what you need to do, you need to connect your USB to the computer And what we're gonna do now, we're gonna copy the ISO file into our hard drive, into the USB drive. To do that, I'll just want to open my browser, go to this one. So let's just type in ISO. Yeah, ISO to USB. As you can see, I'll press the right click and I'll run it as an administrator. This is very, very important. Okay, so it shows my USB drive here, as you can see, and it named it with the HBCDPE is a new name for our USB, and the ISO file is in download and it's here, and I just press on process. It's quite simple. It asks you, are you sure to want to continue, because it will erase all the data on the USB. I say yes, and it's just starting to formatting my drive and is starting to copy my files to the USB stick. Let's just pause this video for now, and when it's finished I will resume the video. Right, so we're back here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna boot my PC with Hirens Bootcd. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click on my MSI fast booter, and then I'm gonna click on go to BIOS. Simply you can just reset your computer and then press the BIOS key. Might be F2, F6, F10 or delete on your keyboard, but mine is F2, but I use the applications to take me to the BIOS. So shortly after the reboot, it will take me to the BIOS. There you are. So as we spoke before about how to set the USB as a priority boot, so as you can see, we have the Windows Manager here. We need to just find out USB, which is this one. Okay, so I'll press save, and now it should boot it with the Hirens Bootcd. As you can see, it's loading my USB. So shortly it will load the virtual Windows 10 for us. This app is very useful app. You can connect it to the Wi-Fi, and also you have the few good tools here. So before I show you how to get your data out of the no-boot laptop or PC, I'm gonna show you the few things here. So we got a very useful tools here. One of them is the Windows recovery, which it can recover your Windows, dead Windows, or for the security we got the password here. So as you can see, you can just remove any password from any computers with this Windows Login Unlocker. So as you can see, it can recognize all my account, even administrator, and I just need to click on it to remove my password or unlock that password for the Windows. This is very, very useful tools. And just spend the time and work with these applications. They are quite useful. Even if your computer or laptop has the antivirus, you can run these ones, so you can just detect any virus on your computer. So yeah, so let's back to what we were talking about. So as you can see, it shows all my drive, all of them. So for example, if I want to take any data from my drive D, so I just simply go to the graphic design, customer. So let's just take this one, make a copy, and then I just paste it to my USB. Okay, so in that way you can just transfer all your data from the no-boot computer, which is very, very, very useful. And you don't need to pay fortune to the computer shops to do this for you. So you can just install this app on the flash USB and retrieve your data by yourself. So if you just follow my tutorial, you definitely can do it by yourself. Okay, so if you have any questions, please ask me in a comment. Don't forget to subscribe my video, and thanks for watching me.